What if you could build an app without writing a single line of code or translate entire code bases across languages with one command? Welcome to the new era. I'm MemoxAI, and this is where the future of coding unfolds. Yeah, that's me without a beard. Don't worry, the AI still works the same, just 20% smoother and 30% more aerodynamic. From humble autocomplete tools to Gemini AI, Google's most powerful coding assistant yet. We'll explore how it thinks, builds, translates, and even architects real-world apps. In this series, I'll show you how Gemini writes real code, builds apps from prompts, and helps non-coders become creators. But it's not all perfect. We'll also cover the risks, the biases, and what it means for developers, students, and the future of jobs. In summary, this series of episodes will introduce coding with Google Gemini AI, presented by MemoxAI. Each episode explores a powerful capability of Gemini and its real-world applications in development. Episode Guide. Episode 1. Introduction. Unveiling the future of coding with Gemini AI and what to expect in the series. Episode 2. How Gemini AI writes real code. Live demonstrations of Gemini generating functional code in real time. Episode 3. Building apps from prompts. Creating complete applications using natural language prompts with Gemini. Episode 4. Translating code across languages. How Gemini instantly converts code bases between different programming languages. Episode 5. Empowering non-coders to create. Showcasing Gemini's potential for beginners and non-developers to build. Episode 6. Real projects with Gemini. Step-by-step walkthroughs of building a real web app, game, or ML model. Episode 7. Risks, biases, and the future of work. A critical look at AI ethics, job impacts, and responsible development. Episode 8. Gemini AI versus ChatGPT. Coding Showdown. Comparing Gemini and ChatGPT in speed, accuracy, and usability. Episode 9. The future of coding with AI. Exploring trends, innovations, and how to thrive in the AI-powered coding era. Bonus episode. The Viewer Challenge. Building apps from subscriber-submitted prompts. Get featured on the channel. Let's decode the future of coding together. Subscribe to MemoxAI Studio, where code meets imagination.